guys, welcome back. I have been MIA off of YouTube for about a year now. I think it's been about a year, but I wanted to get back on the channel because I miss making fashion videos, vlogs, all that, because I feel like I can connect with you guys more through videos rather than just an Instagram post. And the first video I had to make while I was back is how I got my hair red. I did do this at home with the help of my friend JR. I was afraid to go full color because I've never done it before. I didn't know if it would look good. I was just so used to having black hair, but honestly now the red feels kind of like my natural hair color. It was one of those things that I wanted to get out of my comfort zone and do. I think that's something I've been doing a lot since the summer. Some of you guys have been waiting for this video for a while, but it's because I wanted to be pretty thorough with it, because I did how I dyed my hair, and then I tried out some products for red hair because red hair fades really easily. And then after testing those, I just re-dyed my hair red like just about a week ago to touch it up. So I wanted to go through that whole process before I shared with you guys how I did it, because I feel like it would be easier if you guys are taking it on too. But yeah, let's just get started. So first I had to lighten it to achieve like a more vibrant light red. So in order to get the bleach, JR mixed the powder with the developer. To apply it to my hair, he started all the way from the bottom and put a piece of foil under and then brush the bleach through. The roots will become bleached a lot quicker than the rest of your hair, so just avoid the roots while you're going through with the bleach the first time. And then after you've gone through and done the ends from the bottom to the top of your head, go back in and apply the bleach to the roots, and then leave that on for about 20-30 minutes. So after the 20-30 minutes, I rinse my hair out and put leave-in conditioner and let that sit for about 30 minutes. And then I blow dried my hair after. So I blow dried my hair because the red color will take better on dry hair rather than wet hair. So for my hair length, we just use 1 bottle of the Color Charm 6R, and we mix that with 2 parts developer. So then same process, just without the foil. We just started from the bottom and then continue adding the red from the bottom to the top. If your roots do turn out a little lighter, you can mix the 6N and leave that on the roots for a darker color. The first time when I was doing it, it hurt really, really bad, and I didn't record or anything because the bleach already, I think, made my scalp really sensitive. It sounds so bad, but I was like bent over and like trying to put my head down. I think that was the only way I could relieve like I don't even know what it was. It was like kind of like a heat and stinging. I mean, I just had to last through that for about 25 minutes. And then I rinsed out my hair and then just let it air dry. But that's all it took to dye my hair from black to this red. I know red is the easiest color to fade. So about the first 2 times I washed my hair, I accidentally used shampoo and conditioner with sulfate. And sulfate is bad for your hair in general, but especially for colored hair, you should be looking for a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. And I think that led to my hair fading really quick. I know when I rinsed it out, it's kind of normal for some color to still rinse out, but I felt like a lot of color was rinsing out. So I went on a search for products for red hair, and I ended up picking up everything from Ulta. I think it was under $40-50. I picked up a red color shampoo. I'm not sure if it makes my red any more vibrant, but the second time I dyed my hair and used this, I felt like there was less fading. When it comes out, it is red pigmented, so it looks kind of like weird. It's like red, like sort of like fake blood color. But you just have to put this in your hair, leave it in for about 3 minutes for each of them, and then rinse it out. The thing I would say is the shampoo, it doesn't really lather like a regular shampoo, so some people might not like that. Although the Joico shampoo and conditioner is helping, I've been trying to wash my hair a little less. I used to wash my hair every other day, but since I've like bleached it and chemically processed it, my hair doesn't really get oily until about the 3rd or even 4th day. So in between, I've been using the Aveda Shampure dry shampoo, and if I'm trying to wait out to wash my hair, I'll just like maybe put it up in a bun, put it up in a hair tie, and you can't even tell. Another thing I tried is the John Frieda Color Refreshing Gloss. It holds about 6 in-shower treatments, and this you just leave in for about 3 minutes. If you want to try it out for yourself and see how it works, but I didn't see the biggest difference with this. And then the next thing I use to maintain the health of my hair is the Shea Moisture Treatment Mask. They have a line of different masks, but this one is for natural, chemically processed, or heat styled hair. Sometimes I just put it right after I shampoo and put it in for about like 10-15 minutes, or I'll do a leave-in mask and keep this in for maybe 30. But my hair is always really soft after using this. I've been trying to use more protective styles, like just leaving my hair natural, or just putting it up in a bun to use less heat. If I can't avoid that, I do use the 10-in-1 primer. So it says it's 10-in-1 because it claims to like detangle, nourish, strengthen, soften, cut drying time, add shine and all that, and be like a thermal and UV protectant. So spray this in when I have damp hair, even if I'm not using heat, just as a leave-in treatment. Rinsing your hair with cold water really helps. I believe it seals the cuticles to prevent the red from fading even more. Don't think you have to like shower in cold water. Just if you turn the temperature down a little bit, I think it'll help. So that's all I have for how I went red and what I've been using to upkeep it. I just re-dyed my hair and I used the same process without the bleach and just left it in. You can still see my roots, but I didn't bleach my roots or touch them because I want them to grow out a little bit longer before I maybe blend it in. Yeah, let me know if any of you guys are going red. If you try this, please show me a photo. I feel like you can use the same process with other color charm colors as well. I actually don't know how long I'm gonna keep the red. Maybe I'll go a different color. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see fashion videos, more beauty videos, tutorials, let me know. This is my way of communicating with you guys more directly. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!